Okay, so I have a bathroom that I need to plumb up, and I have two lavatories. I got a floor drain and another floor drain, and two water closets. And these are floor-mounted water closets. So let's look at a view of these lavatories. I think I'd have it here. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna make that 1 1/2 inch PVC, and it's sanitary system. Let's come down, and I think that what I might be able to do is put put a double fitting in here. So, okay. Let's draw this pipe out. What happened? What happened? Draw a pipe. Okay. And PVC sanitary. That's 1/2 inch. Let's see if I take that elbow off, and I think I'm gonna need a double Y in here. So let's insert a fitting. Load family. I think I already have it in my library. Let's do OU. There's a double T reducing. Okay, so I'll go here, and let's go back, and let's bring this guy in. Come on. I think I might be able to. There. Does that work? That might work. And they are 1 1/2 inch. Okay, that's good. So let's, man, I want to draw a pipe over, and the same for the other side. And we're going to draw this pipe just like that. And what I'm going to do, let's bring this back some. Same for the other side on this right side. I think what I need to, let's align these two. Let's align one pipe to the other so that they are, go back. Okay. So now let's align the two. Let's align this pipe with this pipe. It should come up, and I'm just gonna bring this, get me another fitting with a cap on it. And let's put a cap on it here. And you know what I'm gonna do? Take all of this, take all of that off, and do a fillet. Do a fillet here, do a fillet there, do a fillet there. And what I could do, I can always stretch this out. Why? Man. Okay. So we have those two, and of course I'm gonna need a trap in here, and I'm gonna need a trap there. Uh-oh. I think I know what happened here. I think I know what happened. I'm gonna delete this, bring this over, just kind of wing it for now. Let's bring this down. I don't know why it keeps, okay, and let's go back. Let's go back here, and I'm gonna go back about right there and realign these two. 1, 2. Okay. We have here. I can drag it over to there. Okay. And let's synchronize just in case we get lost in the sauce. So now what I need to do, let's go to the roof plan, and we have those two. I'm going to change my view so that I'm looking west. Go here. Let's go 90, and we can go this way. And let's go to our section view. You see we are down, so I don't want to go down too far. This should be a 2-inch. I'm going to change that to a 2-inch. And we're going to go here. Wasn't watching. Escape. Let's try this again. So we're going to go over. And up. So I think I need to go under the floor. And this, I'm going to need to go through this beam also. And as long as I am within 1/3, let's go. I'm going to change this to a 3-inch. Let's go 3 because I'm going to have to pick up those floor mounted water closets here. And let's move this back to there. Back up to the roof, and you can see that this is all being, that's the fitting. Okay. So I know I'm going to have to pick up the floor drains. Let's see. So these floor drains. Let's look at the structure. Let's look at the structure. Let's go here. Okay. So we have our 3D view here. And let's do this. I'm going to turn on the structures link there. What I should do, I think I'm going to need to turn on the architect's floor plan, or architect's floor, ceiling, doors, floors. Okay, let's see what's going on. I don't want to show the walls, so let's make sure that the walls are not showing, and they are not, and I'm going to say okay to this. Okay, so we are those floor drains are setting too high. Let's go back and look at the floor drains. Here's one. Okay, I see. So So the architect, you see the architect has the level above the floor line, which is here. Let's do this. Let's turn this off. And this is I'm going to do a tab. Okay, so that's the floor. But for some reason, the architect has it. What I could do is make a reference level. Let's make a reference plane. Let's make a reference plane. And I could call it here. Okay. And just say name roof, floor. Let's call it that. Okay. And from here, I can move I'm using my arrow keys, but it's not, my floor drain is not moving. So I'm going to change the work plane. Edit work plane, edit work plane. I'm going to specify new work plane. Here's my reference. Let's go up so we can see this. Here's my reference plane. And I'm going to say OK. So you see it went down so that when I'm looking at this view, it's flush. So we're going to have to use that. So it just doesn't look out of place. Let's go back to, well, I can change it here, right? Edit, work plane, specify new work plane. I'm going to say this roof floor. So you should see it move down. Okay? And I think that the roof, okay. So I'm going to stop here and continue the next time.